Okay guys, example number 2 says draw a bar graph for the function listed in the table. And guys, generally you'll remember line graphs are something when we're looking at the change in a number, one quantity over time, we'll do a line graph generally, okay? And so it shows us something that looks like, you know, it goes up and down. And line graphs look like this as things change over time. But that's not what this asks, Miles and Devin, okay? What this is asking us is actually to draw a bar graph, okay? Now, I'm going to use, let's see, let's use this one. No, I don't want to use that one. Let's use this one, okay, for our bar graph. And I'm going to draw a couple of lines across here to give ourselves some different, oh no, I don't like that. There we go. Let that be the x-axis. Give myself some room here. So we'll say that this section, this is going to be the Douglas fir, okay? Douglas fir, all right? I'll do juniper right here. Good. You should be doing the same. Oak, it helps when you have graph paper. Oak, all right? And then we've got poplar. And guys, since these aren't running over time like this, then there's no reason I can separate them by a space just to give myself a little space between them so I can see, I can compare them, okay? And then the last one is a yew tree, and I'll do that one in red, Y-E-E-W. Okay. Now, how should we make these 5 each? Does that make sense? 5 each? Okay. So then that means that this will be 10, this will be 20, this will be 30, and this will be 40. Okay? So the Douglas fir goes all the way up to 40. All right? So I'm going to draw my bar all the way up to 40. Bring it back down. Welcome to 7th grade, 6th grade even. Again, drawing bar graphs. Now juniper, it says 10, so I'm just going to go right up to 10. It's a little above it because my board orientation's a little bit off, I think. That door that slams next door in that office so much, it just messes this board up completely. Oak tree goes up to 25. All right, let me see if I can, oh, look at that. Got that one perfect. All right, so let's color that in. And guys, I mean, the great thing about a bar graph is that it just makes amounts more visual. Okay, it's easy to compare these amounts now. The poplar. Did I say popular? Poplar is 30. Okay, so let's go all the way up to here for poplar. Clearly the juniper is going to be the smallest one, right? But the yew is pretty close in height. Okay guys, I'm sorry, I'm not considering quantities of Douglas fir trees. I'm considering how tall each one is. And so this will give us a good sense. A yew tree is only 12 feet tall, okay. So that's a little above where we were. All right. So clearly the Douglas fir is the tallest tree. Poplar is next, then the oak, and then the yew and the juniper. Juniper's a tiny little thing. Is juniper a tree or is it a bush?
I think it's a tree.
A juniper?
Well, it's the same height. A Douglas fir is a Christmas.
We'll have to look it up. I'm curious what that even looks like. Juniper trees, I think, are in the Southwest, and they're pretty short. And
Isn't that a street?
juniper?
Juniper
Juniper Sarah. Yeah, Juniper Sarah's a tree.
No, Junipero Sarah.
All right. Good job, guys. You guys know how to do that. But it was nice to practice one. All right, let's look at the next example.